Greetings to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important event, that is our very first annual day celebration. A warm welcome to all present here today. Parents and guests, you are requested to switch off your mobile phones or keep them on silent mode. Photography and videography is strictly prohibited. Parents, you will not be allowed to meet your child during the program. You may collect them from their respective classes after the program. We request your full cooperation in this matter. Good morning, parents, guests, and students. It is a great day for each one of us present here today. We are celebrating our motto in every activity, competition, celebration that we hold in school. Thus, preparing our students to become confident, self-reliant, and progressive individuals. Parents, we thank you too for your enthusiasm, eagerness, and support, which is reflected through your children's performance. So please continue to do so. Now, we are ready to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. Ujjwala Kedar Kale, accompanied by the members of Aldel Education Trust. We also welcome Dr. Mrs. Savita Tauro, Deputy Director and Principal of SJIPR, Mr. Satish Shetty, General Manager of the campus, Mr. Sudhir Babu, HR Manager of the campus, Mr. Vidyadhar Patil, HR Manager, Dr. G.V. Mulgund, Principal of SJCEM, Dr. Shaini, Principal of SJCHS, Mrs. Suchita Gharat, Principal of SJJC, Dr. Ushavati, the Public Relations Officer, and Mr. Cornelius Pereira, Administrative Manager of the campus. We welcome all of you to the tune of the Penguin March. Audience, please stand for the universal prayer. Audience, you may sit now. As we all know, the lamp is considered a symbol of enlightenment, wisdom, and prosperity. And its light is believed to bring clarity and guidance. Now, I request our chief guest, Chairman Sir, and all other dignitaries to join in lighting the lamp.